Well, we got something else good working down here on the other end of the counter, y'all. We're gonna make crunchy crab cake spiders.
But what are we gonna start with? Is this
a
a pound of lump crab meat?
So, son, I've got my pan here. Now, I'm gonna use a little vegetable oil to saute our crab cakes in.
I'm gonna get started on this red pepper, okay?
Along with just a tablespoon or two of butter.
I'm gonna hold back a little bit of this pepper for the legs, Mom.
I'm gonna come down here and I'm gonna mince up a can of water chestnuts. I'm gonna need 1/4 cup. The red bell pepper is gonna be so pretty and add color to our delicious crab cakes. Jamie, what is Jack gonna go as this Halloween?
This year, he's gonna be a shark.
He told me the other day, he found a little tiara upstairs in the guest bedroom. I mean, it's not but about this big. And he said, "What is this, Guinea?" And I said, "That's a tiara, son. That's what princesses wear." He said, "My mommy is a beautiful princess."
Yeah, he started saying
I said,
that.
"Yes, if you would like to take that for mommy to wear, you may." But how sweet is that? His mommy is a beautiful princess.
Now I got some green onions. I'm gonna use a little white and a little green for the color.
All right, I'm gonna put in like 1/4 cup.
Okay.
So in that goes with our bell pepper. And I'm gonna go ahead and crack our egg. All right, so I'm gonna beat our egg.
Mom, I'm putting in 1/2 cup of green onions.
All right, I'm gonna put in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of wasabi powder.
I wish y'all could have seen me about, 18 years ago.
I know, it was...
19 years ago, when we first started our business. We were
I
doing
know.
the bag lady business, and it was Halloween.
I know what
so
you're gonna say, son.
Mama made me dress up like a bag lady and get in a pink and green truck and drive around town and beg people to buy tuna sandwiches.
What a sport you were, son.
Well, one of the best lessons that I've learned from you, Mom, and it's a good lesson for everybody out there. Don't take yourself so seriously, because nobody else is. So, you know.
No, laugh and have a good time.
If you laugh at yourself first, you can't hear the other people laughing
That's
at you.
exactly right.
Come on with them crackers, Mama.
Y'all, I just took 1 sleeve of soda crackers, y'all.
Beat them to death.
Beat them to death, yes, son. So this looks like a cup. And this is gonna be our binder. We're not gonna go heavy with our salt, just like 1/4 teaspoon, because seafood comes out of salty water. So just by nature, this is salty. So we're gonna need a teaspoon of lemon juice, son. I've got my pan heating over here, just waiting on your crunchy crab cake spiders.
You want me to fold this crab in
And
here
butter.
yet?
Yes, son.
I'll be careful.
You don't want your crab cakes like a tuna fish salad.
Yeah.
You know, you want to know that you've got real chunks of crab in there. So we're gonna lightly toss our crab meat in.
What size you thinking?
Whatever you think for a spider.
This is a good patty size.
Because we are gonna turn these crab cakes into spiders, boys and girls.
See these black plates? Got
Yes.
a little bit of sauce here, and now all this is mayonnaise, a little bit of paprika, got some salt and pepper in here. Now look what I'm gonna do here.
Okay.
I'm gonna make 3 little circles.
Uh-huh. Those are 3 big circles.
Yeah. We're gonna take a stick that we're gonna drag through here.
Oh, how cute. Looks like a spider web, son.
Yeah. And this is where our spider's gonna go.
Oh, how cute.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh,
And
yeah.
put the spider right in the center.
Okay. So I'm gonna just reach over here and get one of my spiders. And we're just gonna take our red bell pepper strips, y'all, and we're just gonna gently put those into our crab cake.
I got a granddaddy long leg.
Oh, you do. Love him. Look at that spider.
Good, so
Look
does
how
mine.
cute those look.
Wanna taste them?
Yes, yes, I want to taste. Oh, thank you. This spider is just too cute to eat.
No, it's not.
Yummy, y'all.
So good.